Chef and Chefettes. Today we are making Mexican pizza. It's going to be delicious, it's going to be quick, it's going to be easy. Best of all, you can make this dish if somebody comes over and you want to make a snack. You can make it for Super Bowl Sunday. You can make it for the kids. Listen, so easy. I'm gonna tell you all the ingredients you're gonna need to make this dish, so make sure you're paying attention. All right, you're gonna need black pepper, some onion and garlic powder, you're gonna need cayenne pepper, some paprika, some taco seasoning, and some salt, a little bit of salt. You're gonna need some salsa, that's important. You're gonna need some flour tortillas, or if you prefer corn, you can use corn. Some ground meat, some cheese, some extra virgin olive oil, tomatoes, and we have sauteed peppers. Guys, if you don't like sauteed peppers, or if you want to add something additional as a topping, you can add black olives, jalapenos, you can add fried beans, you can add anything. Pepperoni. You can have fun with it. This is a fun dish to make. And without further ado, I'm going to show you.
You telling me you need ground beef?
I'm going to show you how to make this dish. Chef Trini, pay attention.
Did you tell him how?
Oh, no, she didn't. Oh.
We need ground beef?
Yes, I did. You see it here.
I didn't hear it.
Go to sleep.
Okay.
Stay
Chefs and Chefettes, so the next step, you want to cook your ground beef. So our ground beef is cooking. Now it's time to season it. We're going to put a tablespoon of all the ingredients we told you. About a tablespoon of onion powder. Tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm sorry if I'm wasting you guys' time. Taking that long, right?
2 hours later.
Nah, we're used to it.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for co-signing. That was a tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of cayenne pepper.
Smells good though.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Tablespoon of some smoked paprika. If you ain't got smoked paprika, use regular paprika. Guys, now you're gonna use a teaspoon of salt. Not too much salt. And a teaspoon of black pepper.
So Chef Trini, can I ask a question?
No, please, no questions. Save the questions till last.
Alright.
Alright guys, so now that we seasoned all the meat, you're gonna mix everything around. You see that? See the coloring coming?
Can I come in?
The aroma smells good. You can do whatever you would like, Chef. Whatever you like. Guys, after you season your tacos, then you're gonna add your taco seasoning. So you're gonna add about maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of the seasoning. After you add your seasoning, you're gonna add your water. We're gonna add about 1/4 cup, a quarter cup of water.
Can I ask a question now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, I'm not finished.
Okay.
And then you're gonna mix everything around to get it nice and covered in all the goodness, all the mixtures, all the seasoning. Chef Sam, what's your motherfucker?
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
That looks real juicy. Wow.
Guys, so, you done? Are you finished?
I have a question. Alright, never mind.
So then you're gonna mix this all around, get everything nice and covered, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Oh, I'm sorry. Chef Sam, what is your question?
When do we add those peppers right there?
Guys, you see those peppers right there? That's your toppings. You can add some of it into your you can add some of your toppings in to your ground beef, or you can save it to put on top of pizza. So I'm gonna put half in ground beef, since Chef Sam hinted at it. I'm gonna save the rest to put on top of pizza, guys. So I'm gonna cook this up and I'm gonna show you the next step.
Right, so we're ready for the next step. And this is going to be a few steps, so make sure you guys are paying attention, Chef and Chefettes.
Can you make it quick?
Don't.
Cause man, you be taking forever. You just mad slow.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
I like to bond with our
Ain't nobody got time for
subscribers. I have time.
that. They don't.
They do. All right, Chef and Chefettes. First thing you need to do is ignore Chef Trini. All right.
Oh,
All right.
Yes, please.
Next thing you need to do is know that we're gonna cook this on 300 degrees for 5 minutes. However, every air fryer varies. Okay. So yours might be different. Make sure you pay attention to yours. Now, first things first, we're going to take some olive oil and our tortilla, and we're gonna coat each side with olive oil. Why? Because we do not want our tortilla to stick to our air fryer. Before you even think about it, you're probably gonna say, oh, do we need to put pan spray, or do we need to Chef Trini, you get on my nerves. Always acting up. I can't just make a video. All right, so we're gonna brush this on, right? And we're gonna put this down like that. Can you see inside here? Can you?
Well, we can come in.
All right, come in, pay attention. Now I'm gonna take our meat.
No, 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 no. Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Oh, you know what? Let's do our salsa first. Let's do our salsa. Let's do our salsa. Let's do our salsa. Because why? Why not? Don't put too much salsa where it's gonna like
There's a brush right there, Chef Sam.
Oh my, oh. Just hold the camera.
Ooh, ooh.
Just hold the camera. We're gonna need a little bit more sauce than this. I like my stuff saucy. Not too saucy. A little saucy. A little saucy. And after the sauce, we're gonna add our meat. This is gonna be a 2-layer Mexican pizza, okay? So we got that. Let's add our meat. Add as much meat as you like.
See those onions and peppers.
This smells divine.
I think you're going crazy with the meat, bro. Taco Bell would never do that.
Well, this is not Taco Bell. This is cooking comedy.
You got fired the first day.
This is cook and comedy.
You would have got fired the first day. All that meat? Damn. I want to see how you get that out the pan.
If y'all looking for a camera guy, don't hire.
Maybe we should have put some foil in there so you could pick it up out the tray. It's gonna look like it's gonna be a struggle. A struggle.
So here's our next tortilla. We're going to do the same thing. Brush it on both sides. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, ay, ay.
I know. I know the feeling.
Yo, you don't know the feeling.
I feeling hot.
Oh gosh. Both sides, guys. And now this layer is going to be a little different. We're going to put this on right on top. Look at that. We're going to add a little bit of sauce. Okay.
Can you put a little more sauce? Yeah, this is mine. And a little more. One more scoop.
If it can't come up, then it's...
Yeah, you figure it out.
No, I'm not figuring
You
it out.
figure it out. Yeah, that's mine. I want sauce. I want the sauciest sauce.
Oh boy.
Give me the extra sauce. That. Oh, I almost cussed.
Don't curse.
That little need a little more sauce.
No, I don't need a little bit more sauce.
Okay.
Trust me.
Mexican pizza.
Oh yeah.
So what's next?
All right. So
speed it up.
Don't rush me. Next thing's next. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese. I'm lying. We're gonna put a lot of cheese.
Oh no! And don't forget to put some more onions and peppers on.
We are definitely gonna do that. Watch me. Put a little bit of cheese.
A lot of cheese.
Wait. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese. Let's put some peppers and stuff, because we want our peppers to stick, right? We don't want it to fall out and slide all over the place. Okay, let's put some peppers and onions.
Ooh, guys, you got jalapenos? Throw some jalapenos on there.
If you like it spicy.
We were gonna put some jalapenos, but somebody didn't pick it up.
Yeah, I wonder who that was.
I'm not gonna say her name.
We're gonna add a little bit more cheese.
Exactly.
Look at this. Yes. And then next,
black olives, jalapenos, pepperonis.
Oh yeah. And then next we're gonna add some tomatoes.
Fresh tomatoes.
If you got some scallions, some chives, throw them bad boys on there. It'll make it look nice and pretty.
Ooh,
all right.
That pizza looking good. So now what we have to put in?
Now we're gonna put it in our air fryer at 300 degrees for 5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
And then we're gonna check it and show you what it looks like.
300 degrees, 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes.
You gotta load that down.
There you go. That's it. And then we'll be back in 5 minutes. All right, chef and cheferettes, our timer went off. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look, 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 look. Can you see that?
But that looks good.
That looks amazing. It's still hot. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit and we're gonna take this bad boy out and plate it and dig right into it. Guys, make yourself this Mexican pizza. Look how amazing that looks.
It's better than Taco Bell's.
It's better than Taco Bell's. It smells amazing. And it's a great snack, like I said. Make this dish. And if you make it, let us know. Drop a comment below. And as always, make sure to tell a friend to come join you next time we make a video. And in order to do that, you gotta turn on that post notification bell, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
And we are out.